Let's get Mayuresh Joshi, the head of equity research at William O'Neill, on the show now. Mayuresh, for the last couple of days, Pharma was giving some signs of bottoming out. Just in the last maybe 10 days or so, there have been 2 or 3 instances when Pharma turned out to be the best performing index, and it's done so today as well. Any of the stocks that you like now, which you believe has perhaps bottomed out?
Afternoon, everyone. Obviously, because of the global macro concerns and the kind of volatility that you're seeing globally across markets, the time correction that Nimesh was talking about can be very, very profound over the next few months. Having said that, Pharma has probably been one bright spot. And in times of stress and volatility, this sector probably stands out. One stock or a couple of stocks which are probably standing out, one stock which is probably in the zone at this point of time, Zydus Life. There have been some observations in terms of the US FDA that have been pointed out, but a large part in terms of the innovative drugs that they're expected to, specifically in the Indian domestic formulation business, should relatively hold out earnings for this stock going forward. Secondly, I think the kind of product pipeline that they've got, complex injectables and expectations in terms of niche orphan drugs, and the expectations in terms of these complex launches from FY24, that should start propping up the earnings estimates. Management does expect margins to hover around 20-21%. NCE should probably be 1/3 of the revenues, which should probably ensure that EBITDA margins stay about 20%. A very minimal debt onto their books. The wellness part should also hold up. So I think Zydus Life is something that is probably holding on to the pivot as per the lens. One other stock probably that can be kept on the radar is obviously Dr. Reddy's. Again, specialty pipeline in terms of biosimilars and injectables, expecting 40% of that in terms of the pipeline going forward. 25 complex launches expected to come through. Margins expected to remain range bound between 27-28%. The PSAI part of the business expected to stay strong as well. And again, minimal kind of a debt equity onto the books as well. So again, I think a couple of stocks from the pharma space, which are very, very close to the pivot level.